In this example, we have a rectangle that has a length of 12 units and a width of 5 units. Squares of length x are cut from each corner, and the sides are folded up to create an open box. Express the volume of the box as a polynomial function in terms of x. So you can draw a diagram, and if we cut out these squares from each corner and fold up those sides that are remaining, you would end up with a box that would look something like this. So what we need are the dimensions of that box. And if you recognize, if we're cutting out little squares that have length x from each of the corners, then this middle region is going to have a length of 12 minus x, or 12 minus 2x. And therefore, this region is going to have a length of 5 minus 2x. And the height of the box is really the length of the side of the square cut from the corner, which is just x. Okay, so we're ready to write the formula. Volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. And the length is 12 minus 2x. The width is 5 minus 2x. And the height is x. We can use our calculator to find some more information kind of about the volume of this box as x changes. So I'm going to enter the formula in y1. We can graph the function just to see that it represents a cubic polynomial. But let's go to the table. So under second graph, and we see, if x is 0, the volume is going to be 0. But if the height is 1, then the side length will be 12 minus 2 times 1, or 10, and 5 minus 2 times 1, 3. So 10 times 3 times 1, which results in a volume of 30. And then same thing, if the height is 2, we'd get a volume of 16. But once the height is too large, based on these expressions, so 12 minus 2x and 5 minus 2x should not be negative, and a 3, 4, 5, etc. would produce those negative side lengths, which is not possible. So you could investigate a little bit more because you could have fractions or decimals for your dimensions, and so you can adjust your table setup going to second window and just adjust your change in table, which is what x is going to increase by. And so maybe you could do 0.1 or 0.2 and then go back and see what some other volumes could be.